Hello everyone. So for my AP Chem project, I'm doing the mystery of the sick potato. So essentially, there are two people who have different soil pHs, and it's said that in order to raise potatoes correctly, you need to have soil pH between 4.5 and 5.5. So right now, I'm measuring the soil pH of soil A, which is from my backyard, and soil B, which is from my neighbor's backyard. So right now I'm actually neutralizing the pH meter, I guess, in distilled water so that it gets back to 7 and can accurately tell the pH of soil A and soil B, and I'm going to be doing the test twice. The pH meter, and I'm putting it in distilled water in a beaker so that the pH can go to 7 and I'm accurately able to display the soil pH. So you just mix it around and you can see over there that it's going up. We're going to just try to get it to as close to 7 as possible. Now I am taking the pH meter and I'm putting it into soil A to measure the pH of soil A. We're going to try to get it into a smaller and more dry area, because in order for the soil to accurately produce the right potatoes, it would have to be between 4.5 to 5.5, and as you can see over here, it's 7.19. Okay, so as I mentioned before, the pH of the soil A for the trial 1 was about 7.3, which is not in the range that is supposed to raise potatoes. So we have to figure out how to lower that. And right now I'm just neutralizing the pH meter once again back to 7. You can see that it's going down right now. Okay, now that I've neutralized the pH meter once again back to 7, if you can see over there, we are going to put it into soil number 2 and see what the soil is for this one. The soil for trial 1 for sample B was 6.52, which is a little bit closer to 4.5 to 5.5, which explains why the neighbor's potatoes were growing at a faster rate and more fully, just because the pH was closer to the range for potato growing. So, as you can see from the 4 different trials, we have 2 for sample A and 2 for sample B. Sample A in general is in the 7 range, and then sample B is in the 6 range. So nothing is exactly between the 4.5 to 5.5 pH range, but there's definitely things that we can add or take away from the pHs in order for the soils to be more capable of growing potatoes. But in general, this observation coincides with the fact that sample B is more suitable for growing the potatoes.